Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating an isolated environment and installing Python 3. 10 or newer, this prevents package conflicts. Next, pick a model framework, Transformers for NLP, PyTorch for custom models, or TensorFlow if you prefer Keras, because the choice affects APIs and deployment. Once chosen, prepare a small, labeled dataset and split it into train, validation, and test sets so you can measure progress. Also install essential tools like NumPy, Pandas, and a GPU-enabled build if you have a CUDA-capable machine. Now you construct the model or load pre-trained weights to save time and improve baseline performance. Transfer learning often reduces data needs. Then implement robust data pipelines, tokenize or normalize inputs, create efficient batching, and add light augmentation if applicable, because throughput matters. Next, configure the training loop with a sensible optimizer and learning rate schedule while logging loss and validation metrics so you can detect overfitting early. Finally, checkpoint frequently to avoid losing progress and to enable easy rollback. Finish by evaluating your model on the held-out test set. Run thorough error analysis to understand failure modes and prioritize fixes. Once satisfied, export the model to an interoperable format like ONGS or Torch script and containerize it so deployment is reproducible. When things go wrong, check one key item first. If validation diverges, reduce the learning rate or add regularization. Also try more labeled data or smaller batches. These steps often resolve instability and improve generalization quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.